Hello and welcome to TIOmarkets price action analysis. Today is the NFP Friday, so we want to know where the key levels are, what's been happening with the price action and what's likely to happen next. But before we go there, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and leave us a comment. We would love to answer your questions. Please also remember that we don't provide any investment advice and you should only watch this video if you agree with this disclaimer. So here we have, as usual, EURUSD in 2-hour time frame. When the market was trading up here, we said today in today's written analysis that we expected the market basically to give us a nice trade if we move above this resistance here. This 2280 level, I thought if it is penetrated, then would give us a nice little rally about 30 to 40 pips, which is quite a bit in EURUSD, which is a very liquid market. Now, the other option was that if we get a decisive break below this channel low, then we would expect the market to move to the next support, i.e. this support here would come into play, and this basically 2211 roughly, this would be a level that would be important, and it almost coincides with the 50% Fibonacci level, so that's one of the reasons why we deem this as an important level. Now we have a couple of things here happening. So if first of all we get a move higher from here and the market returns back inside this channel, then we can safely assume that yes, we have further upside ahead, at least further. The traders, the market seems to believe that the market is going higher. We can, I need to correct myself there a little bit. The market, it's never safe to assume anything. Always follow the price and always see what the price action is doing, because that tells you day to day, hour by hour, what the market thinks as collective entity. All the relevant information is always in the price. You just have to know how to read it, and then you have to know how and when to react to the price movements. There are times to stay in cash and there are times to take a position, either long or short. So what might happen today is that either we stay outside of this channel, which means that there is a bearish confirmation on this breakout. That would mean that we have a daily close below this channel low, and that would also mean that we have a week of no real momentum. The market rallied higher, gave it all back, and now is trading below this basically around the same levels it started this week. That's obviously not a great, it's not good news for the bulls. The other option is obviously that we start gathering momentum and keep moving higher. But for what should happen today, I think I'm going to lay out two scenarios here, and then you can decide if you can use those in your trading, obviously based on what you see the price action doing once we have the news out. This is all relevant only after the NFP number is out. We don't know what the number is going to be like. We don't know how the market is going to react to those numbers. So there's no edge in trying to trade and take positions before the NFP number is out. But I could see a couple of things happening. I could see euro rallying into this resistance and then starting to roll over. If this happens, then obviously the risk is that this support here is eroded, and then the market is more likely to move to the next support area, which actually, by the way, roughly coincides with 61.8 Fibonacci support. The other option would be to see something happening that would take the market beyond this level here, 2280, and then we probably would see that 30 to 40 pip move higher. And then obviously the question would be, is the market willing to take the price higher? Are the market participants willing to take this market into new highs? So this is basically a couple of scenarios for today, how the price could move. And if you need help in how to trade these, come to my webinars. The next one is next week. And go to TIOmarkets.com/webinars, and I'm more than happy to teach you how to trade and how to manage your risks. So, thank you for today, and I look forward to seeing you soon again. Trade safe, never trade without stops. Thank you.